state-of-the-art, handy, compact edge processing machine. From BDS Maschinen. Introducing the versatile EKF series of deburring and chamfering machines for quick and easy edge processing. The BDS EKF machines can be universally used for industry and craft, in mold making, boiler manufacturing, plant construction, mechanical engineering and various metalworking to deliver perfect edge finish. The BDS EKF series comprises of 3 models. EKF 300.3 for 30-degree cutting angle, EKF 450.3 for 45-degree cutting angle, and EKF 452.3 for chamfering radius of 2.5 millimeters. Equipped with a powerful 1500-watt motor, weighing just 4.6 kilograms. Available in 3 milling cutter options. Delivering 6,000 RPM speed, the EKF series straightforward, handy, lightweight and versatile deburring and chamfering machines. From BDS Maschinen, Germany.